It's pretty good size. I think it's the largest. Doing my